Third Anglo-Maratha War. The Marathas families tried their level best to get back their independence and get back their honor. Okay. Even the Peshwa attempted to free himself from the clutches of the family, of the company, sorry, of the East India Company. They were attached by the clutches. They were attached uh, to the clutches of East India Company because Lord Wellesley has waged a war between them. The war were between Marathas and East India Company. Also, there was the wars between the families of the Marathas. So, this all was the clutches and ambiguities. So, attempted to free himself from all these ambiguities. What he did, Peshwa attacked the British residency in Pune. Okay, he need to come back. He need to get back from all these confusions and clutches and all these problems. So because of this, what he did, he attacked British in Pune and burned it down. He attacked the British houses in Pune and he burned that houses. Appa Sahib also, what he did, Appa Sahib of Nagapur and Malhar Rao Holkar rebelled against the British. Appa Sahib and also the Malhar Rao, they were the kings of the families. They were Maratha families. So these both also started war against the British and were suppressed ruthlessly and were defeated very badly by the British. Okay. Finally, Peshwa Bajirao too fought against the British. After this, after Appa Sahib and Malhar Rao, Peshwa Bajirao started war uh, war from the British and British at Koregaon and Asti and also later surrendered to the British. Started war, but he was unable to fight the war, so finally he surrendered to the British. What the British did, they abolished the post of the Peshwa. They abolished means they finished off for uh, for lifelong. They cancelled the post of Peshwa and granted a pension to Bajirao too. Okay. After that, what the British did, Pratapa Simha, right? He was a descendant of Shivaji Rao. Descendant means he was the son. Okay, he was the vice of Shivaji Rao. What he was Shivaji Rao was the ruler of Satara. What the British did, the British appointed Pratapa Simha. Okay, British installed Pratapa Simha, the descendant of Shivaji Rao, as the ruler of Satara. Okay, British made Pratapa Simha as the ruler of Satara and all that small states which were in all the small states which were present in Marathas, and he named that on behalf of and he named as traditional leader of Maratha. He named Prataparao as a traditional leader of Maratha, and also British defeated the Marathas resistance.